So today we install the EVFC box on the house. I'm going to do a time lapse as well, so you guys can enjoy. Cheers. you can see, I put it at this location because it's in the middle of my house. So in future, I buy another EV car, so I can easily charge both cars at this location. So right now, there's two things which I need to get the previous electrician to come to change. One is to replace the neutral wire to be 6mm, and because currently it's 4mm and the live cable is 6, so they request to be safe, everything on the same size. So another thing is I need to get this replaced to the Type A 0.03 version, as it is more sensitive, and if there's any trip, it will trip faster, so it will save the EVSC box from any malfunction. So the electrical wire guy that came previously, they're going to replace my neutral wires to 6mm for both isolator, and also replace that to Type A 0.03. So as per recommended, I'm not going to use the EVSC to charge my X5 yet. I'm going to use the OEM wall plug to currently charge until the two things are replaced, so to be safe lah. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and like and subscribe, I suppose. I'll see you guys in my next video. Cheers.